Hey guys, sorry about that. Come on. Huh. Yeah. Sorry about that, everybody. I had to restart the streaming software. Shit. It's not going to get a retest to 34, 33. I mean, it was 34. Yeah. I think I missed my fill. I'm not going to rush into anything, though, guys. Like, uh, there's something going on with my internet right now. It's going in and out. Man. Nice little bull flag setting up, too. If we come back to 33, cool. If not, I don't know. As long as Spy's over it, here, I mean, these are pretty big levels, though. Pretty bullish, man. I wonder if I kept anything in that. No, I didn't keep anything in the other play. Let's see. Yeah, guys, this thing might run today. If, trying to get my bearings here. I had to like reset some stuff. Sorry about the live stream. All right, so on here, if this, all right, so this right here, all right, if this right here holds 32.33, okay, my opinion it does. I don't see us coming back down below it. If this holds, I think I think potentially the target is going to be up here, 57, 58. So we potentially have another 20 points for today on ES. Not kidding, right? I think that's a high probability play actually. Because look, we're in balance. We're in balance here. This is our balance area. We already came down the balance. Now we're coming up, right? We already worked this balance area a little bit. And we're working it again, right? But if this holds, it's going to see the top of this balance range because we already went through it once. As long as there's no clear rejection from one of these high volume nodes, it's going to make it to 57, 58. That's where I'm at. Now, if there, maybe it comes back to 33 and I can get my fill. Would I ever be so lucky? Answers here. Single print on the 15-minute holds at 34.25. That's really nice. So I use a 15-minute TPO in conjunction with the 30-minute TPO. This works really well to time entries. That's what I do. That's what I base my entries on, is generally this 15-minute TPO. But guys, this is good. My wife's calling me. I'm gonna mute for a second. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right. So we're squeezing. I think, we'll get up in the 44, 45 area next here. That's the area I was eyeing earlier today as like a potential if we did break out. I didn't think we would, but we are. So up here, 45, 44, somewhere in there. If we get over that area, again, I think we're going to 58. This is a directional trade. This is now a V setup, perfect V setup with a swing high target of up here, 46.30, probably by tomorrow. As long as we don't get any major rejections from a high volume node, this is going to go to 46.30 probably tomorrow, by tomorrow. So don't fight it. Unless we get a serious rejection. Serious rejection meaning a huge impulse with a huge excess high. If we get something like that, then I would be worried. Let's see if we can go back and a perfect example of that was would have been. Remember when I was trying to short 35? Where was that? This one, I think. Yeah, this right here. I remember these days. They haunt me. Trying to short 35, 38 here. Oh, right where we are. That's so funny. Oh, that's exactly where we are. And price shot up, got a huge impulse, and then it was sold back down immediately, right? That would make me hesitant about that, about going higher, right? Here's another impulse, except this didn't get sold down. This gapped up and held, right? So unless we get something like that, this thing's going to 36, 33. That's the target. Probably by tomorrow, maybe Monday. I've got August 18 calls, so like I know I say tomorrow or maybe Monday, but it might not be. So don't be stupid. But I wouldn't short this at all. I would look for long opportunities here now, right? Before you're looking for short opportunities here as we were falling down. I thought 58 would have provided a good bounce, and it did for 10 points, right? You took that as a scalp. But yesterday was a choppy down day, right? And I remember when 45 was being built, and this high volume node, we were under that. I was like, under 45 is a short right now. Well, now I'm saying, don't do that, right? Yeah, we're probably going to get some resistance, chop, but then we're moving up, right? We're going back. We're retracing this V. This is a V setup. Failed look below. We got a clear reversal, and we're going higher. Swing target is up, 36s for ES, probably 3600, 4600. Excuse me, probably 4600 for SPX. Poor high, so we're going to go higher. I know we have a poor low, but we found a couple examples where poor lows actually stuck for a few days. So I think we got about a 3% drawdown from the highs, right? I posted that thing yesterday that was like, I recopied it from something I posted last week with some of Zen's studies and the SF5I, whatever, what is it? SF51? I don't remember. But that, that chart, I think it's stocks above 200 MA. No, 50 MA. 50 MA. Uh, that's bullish. That's bullish. So I think we're going. I think we're going to fill this gap. I think we're going to fill this gap definitely, by tomorrow. I'd say. It'd be shit crazy if we got there today. Don't think that's happening, but we have a single print, right? So the blueprint is here. That's funny. I did. I posted a thing on InQ. I was like, that shit's going down to 13,350, whatever it was, 15,350. I don't know. I don't trade InQ. At 15,350, and I was like, that's probably where it's going to bounce, and apparently it did. But that's just using the same logic that I use here, right? The same logic on TPOs and volume profiles. Like it's nothing new under the sun. It's just how the market works right now. Not right now. It's how the market works in general. So if we break out of this range, let's watch. All right. So we fixed the poor high. Another question is, do we move higher? Am I in anything? Oh, I am. Wait. No, I'm not. I'm not in anything. I did not get a fill at 33 where I was posted. TPO came to 34. I mean, price came down to 34 and didn't get a fill. So okay. I got some notes to add, so let me put in some candles to add. Look at that. Okay, perfect. So look at this. This is just creating a nice balance area. So it's going to smooth this out. It's going to smooth this out. I mean, this is about what you want when you see balance, right? So let's revisit the last area here, right? So here we got a nice move, choppy for a couple days, and then it was up. We haven't even gotten that far of an extended move yet from this double bottom. Similar setup. So I imagine we're going to come up here, and this is where the chop will begin. Remember, guys, LVN to HVN and up only. At least that's the game plan for now. I don't know. Saddam saying. There were a lot of sellers. So when I was on the phone with my wife, I was kind of pointing at some stuff. There were a lot of sellers in this 36, 37 area. I mean, look at that. It showed up on the DOM too. So these are either stop outs or they're going to be trapped. I don't know what, I don't know. But that's a lot of sell volume that came through. Okay. Coming back down. That's probably it. I'm willing to chase a little bit at 34. 33. See, that's an established low, though. So, like, realistically, 34 is probably going to hold. Realistically, right? Realistically. I'd love to see 33. 34 is probably going to hold. I mean, I don't even know why I argue with, like, these little price differences, but that's just how... Yeah, it's just how you have to trade futures, in my opinion. If you get a fill, you get a fill. If you don't, you don't, and you just move on to the next setup, right? But right now, the setup that I like is 33. So that's where I'm, move it up to 33.75. See if you get a fill. If you do, cool. If you don't, that's fine. See, 33 is right here at this low of yesterday, right? Right above the axis. There's 33. 33.75. There we go. 33.25. All right, so I got a fill. Now I want it to hold. Need this single print to stay. That's what I was looking for. 33 got filled. 33.50 got filled, and 33.75 got filled. So let's see if we get a bounce off this area, which coincides with this right here, right? This low volume node. Should stick, right? We're moving up in price. We got a little bit of a low area here on the TPO. This should be good. Should be a good play, right? Yeah, look at the low area here on the daily. I know I've got that behind, but yeah, right there. See that? That's where you want to go long. Yeah, it sucks going long at the top of day like this, right? I don't like it. You don't have to take it. But I think, as long as this sticks, the target's 58, 50, 57. That's, and I've got a tight stop of probably 30, 30. Yeah, 31 probably. So like, you've got a 2 point stop and you potentially have 20 points. All right, because like that's the target. The balance range target is 57, 58. Right? So like that to me is good risk reward any day of the week. I'll take that. And look, here we go. Boom, look at that, it's stuck. All right, so now we just want to see balance. We want to see it trend higher. Oh yeah, that's the look below before the move higher. So, boom, that holds. 34, 35 holds. We're going to make our way back up to the 40s. Look at all these sellers at 36, 37 though. And this is filtered by orders, market orders over 50 lots on a single order. So that's a lot. That's a lot. But they're tapped out clearly, right? So let's see what happens. So we're still in this balance area, okay? So like 33 is holding. We do have a volume separation here at 32.75. We're starting to get back into this balance area here, which puts us back at the 40s, right? So like this is going to run up to the 40s. As long as we don't get a rejection at 38, which is a high volume node, we should see 40. We should see a breakout of this balance range probably. I don't know. Seems crazy to think, but that's how this market works. Sorry, I haven't looked at the chat in a while. I don't know if anybody said anything. Long in queue, cool. Famous last words. Current stream. Explain a bit. How do I identify it? Yeah. So that's a big spot here. You want to see it get back over this little high volume stick. See that over here, right here? This high volume, this like little volume shelf there here are both on the sell and buy side. You want to see price get over that. Oh, look at that. We're just testing the euro high. Huh. That's funny. So we got a rejection from some high volume nodes in there. So we want 33 to stick. right? That's a second test of it. So it looks like need 33. Yeah, stop on this one's 31. Hmm. Oh boy. No. Damn it, I got stopped out. See, that's the rejection I was talking about. Off a high volume node. So now the next high volume node is this right here. So now we got to watch price action because now I'm not super convinced. Okay, but we're just getting a retest of this little area here, right? So like realistically, this could probably be. I probably got stopped out at the bounce area, to be honest with you. Like, and that happens sometimes. But when you take tight plays, it's what happens. Um, but you want to see 33, 34. You want to see price get back up above that 32, 33 range. Let's look at some other charts real quick. One, two, three. Oh, okay, so SPY's retesting 450, and if it can get back over, then that's great, right? And if not, then Houston, we may have a problem. Okay. High volume node. Yeah. We're probably just going to work to fill this area in, just like we did the other one, to be honest with you. So, let's find out. Yeah, SPX is just testing this. Yeah, right there, 4509, 4510 area. SPY is getting a retest of this 450 area. And ES is just getting a test of this single print that was cleared, I think. I think it's okay. Not too worried. We don't have any excess highs, right? We don't have an excess high right now. We got a rejection from a high volume area, but that can happen. We don't have an excess high really to speak of, and we're making our way back over the 32, right? I mean, it seems fine. We'll see though, because like 30, 32, 33, you know, that's an important area. Yeah, every time I see this pattern, I think of a dinosaur. And you see it all the time, even on smaller time frames. Like just a dinosaur look. Wait. There we go. SPY's back over 450. That sticks, the market follows, and it runs back up. But you want SPY to stay over 450, right? And you want SPX to get over 45.20 for a continuation to the upside. I think our single print got cleared though, didn't it? Yeah. Ooh, so our single print got cleared. Came back down, retested 29 area, and that's okay, right? We still got a little bit of separation outside of our initial balance, right? So we got an initial balance, an IB breakout to the upside with separation between the 5 and the 7 periods, indicating 6s were trapped or earlier periods were trapped. Now 9s came down and there's finding buyers down here at 9. Down here at this 5, 6, 7 period or whatever you want to call it. Right at this, I guess, imbalance. So, you know, you want to see it back over. Maybe it fills in here a little bit with some later periods, right? I mean, if 28, 29, if these areas fail, then I would argue it's coming back down. But as long as we're over, you know, this 28, 28 area, then longs are good. Alright. Yeah, so like 27, 28, I think. As long as we stay over this area. Oh yeah, look at that. So we got our higher high, right? Higher high, higher high. Okay, so yeah, look at this. 29.30. Probably get us up here. Yeah, same targets, right? Same targets. The volume's doing. Yeah, look how much bigger this low volume is now. I bet you, I mean, it's just passing low volume, it's just passing volume over this to build it out. So I do not think the game plan's in jeopardy at all. I don't. Man. Yeah, 27, 28. You want to see that hold. Let's go. Dom. Okay, here we go. So yeah, you want to see this hold. Man, remember those big sellers I saw? I wonder if that... Yeah, I want to see this hold. Oh, SPY got rejected at 450 or what? Hmm. You want to see SPY back over 450 in a hurry for this to have any chance of continuation today. Okay. All right. Let's 2728's got to stick. Kind of the bottom of the single print. Uh, oh man, that's ugly. Oh. Did it give? No, not quite. It was yesterday's low. Okay. We're just filling in some of this stuff. Interesting though. So not. SPY got rejected off 450. That's no bueno. Hmm. All right. So Oops, sorry guys, I just realized I was muted. So we want to see something. We want to see this hold here. But given that dinosaur, just right back to the TPO point of control and volume point of control. So values moving up, point of controls moving up. I don't know. Yeah, just a slow, choppy day, right? That's kind of what we're encountering. Probably a retest of whatever wedge there was, right? So like, probably just like a retest of whatever the, I don't know. You do want to see it get back over 33, 32 though. So we went right past this high volume node, came right back down, almost hit the low volume node, right? Now we're going back up, and if we get a rejection from 429, which is the high volume node here, I would imagine we hit 423. Technically, that was a retested 25. Forgot about that. That was my kind of whole deal about this level, right? So that's fine. That's a retested 25. You want to see it hold though, and then that creates the perfect V setup, which I think we've already confirmed, but. So what is up? Man. Kind of looks like rejection. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's true. Okay, so here's our chop day then. So over put wall, but can't quite get over 45, 42, 45. So I think this is probably the low for the afternoon. Yeah, so it's probably gonna hit 23.50. All right. Yeah, we're still okay. But needs to stay above this 20, 23 mark. Yeah, I think it's alright. We'll see. Hey, bud. All right, guys. I've gotta go. But might be back on in a little bit. I'm still in my swing calls unless 22-23 breaks, so that's kind of my cutoff. I just, I think as long as that holds, I think we're good. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off the live stream. Thanks for joining. Hope it was valuable, and hopefully this play works out. We'll see. I saw some comments in here. I'll make notes of it, notes of the questions that were asked, and I'll maybe I'll post some videos a little bit later.